Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So, kumusta? I hope that all of you are doing great sa iyong mga matagbalay. So, even though we can't meet personally or face-to-face, but I will do my best to explain furthermore about basic accounting. Because if we will say accounting, it talks about more on quantitative data and more on numbers. So, by the way, I am Jacqueline Yu Abao. I am so glad in handling you as my students, the BTHM2A. So, I hope this video can help you to learn more about basic accounting. So, we will discuss first our accounting definition and its purpose. So, in this topic, we have our objectives. So first one is define what is accounting. So later on, we will define what is accounting. The next one is describe the nature of accounting. The third one is identify the phases of accounting. So we will discover the four phases of accounting. The last one is explain the function of accounting business. Okay, the first question is what is accounting? For you, what is accounting? Okay, we will talk about accounting as what I have told you earlier. It talks about numbers, right? It talks also about quantitative data. Yes. It talks about money. Yes. Accounting talks about money. Yes. That's great. So we will discover what is accounting. Accounting is famously known as the language of business. Why language of business? Ano kaya language of business ang accounting? Because no, it is a process by which business organization communicates data with others. No? Why nga unsa kay ways nga nag-communicate sila? Unsa kay mga ways nga nagsinabtanay sila? No, we will discover that one later. Okay, to tell you class, sender and receiver are required to use the language of business. Now, did you observe, no, kung maglingi mo, especially na ay mga signs, na ay mga symbols, right? Kung na ay P, tapos ay naka-circle sa tunga sa yaa, so that means na no parking, no? Well, also a sign na no smoking. So with that sign, we can understand no kung unsay gipasabot. So in accounting also class, there is common language. So here in the Philippines, we have a language or shall we say dialect, no, na magbisaya ta so that we can understand each other. So here in accounting, we have also a common language. For example, the financial statements, no, the debit, the credit, the liabilities, the owner's equity. In that, so we can understand. Now we have a language that would be the bridge of understanding each other. Next one is through the financial statements. Yes, let's stop with the financial statements. What are the financial statements in accounting? First, we have our income statement. You know, the income statement. Makita na to diya ang revenue. First, makita na to ang revenue. Ang sa revenue na to, naadira ang sales. No? Again, sa revenue na to, naadira ang sales. Next one, makita nato atong expenses, no? Makita nato atong mga expenses tara kung sa atong mga nagasto sa ato ang negosyo. Next one is makita pud nato dira kung pila ang atong capital. That would be your income statement. Tanan-tanan na necessary in our income statement na will explain furthermore because in our next topic, I will discuss it individually, the financial statements. Is it okay for you? Okay, no choice. Okay. The second one is the balance sheet. Ano, balance sheet. No? Nadiya na to, makita na to, na mabalance ba na to ang atong financial. No? Next one, the last one is the cash flow. In cash flow, we have inflows. No? Pag mo detag inflows, tanan, nisulod sa imong business. The cash on hand, your capital, your sales, makita dira sa cash inflows. Next one is the cash outflows. Sa yung cash outflows, ma'am? So simply ang cash outflows na to tanan na nigawas sa atong business. No? For example, the expenses. Di ba sa atong business, mawat-an ta, for example, mag-purchase ta, no, mawat-an tag money, and that would be the expenses. Abot naman siguro mo, kay each of us na encounter na to nga na atay mga expenses sa atong own living. Right? Okay, let's proceed. Now, through the financial statements, there are three financial statements. Do not forget that one. We have income statement, we have also the balance sheet, and we have also the cash flow. Okay, the end products report in accounting. It delivers information to different users. Yes, bisan pag numbers lang na siya diya, no? For example, you have your inflows, 1 million. You have your outflows, 500,000. So you have your net cash flow. No, 1 million minus 500,000 is equal to 500,000. So that would be your information na imong dinadeliver sa imong business. That means na sa imo ang inflows na 1 million, then you have your expenses na 500,000. So it means nga na kay nabilin sa imong business sa 500,000. Okay ba? Yes. Okay. Accounting is a means through which information about a business entity is communicated. Yes? No, na-explain na ako na siya lately that we have really a communication with others about our business. So let's move on to the next. Okay, let's take a moment to illustrate that one, no, sa atong accounting. So let's meet Mr. John. No, Mr. John started a farm business. He invested 200,000 personal money to start farm's operation. After the operation, he wants to know how much the business made. No, he also wants to know if the money he invested is still there. So, without a way of recording the activities of business, we will not be able to answer his questions. No, surely we can tell him, Mr. John, we made a lot of this operation. No, kung wala daw tay financial statements, no, kung wala daw tay language of business nga to ipakita ka Mr. John, no, simply ang ato matubag kay Mr. Ay, dako naman ta, no? Okay man natong operation, but without any figures. No, dili ya po na siya ma-consider. No? So, therefore, we need a proof. No? He needs figures. No? Dahil man siguro mga negosyante, kailangan nila makita. No? Pila na ilang nagasto, pila na ilang mga halin. They need figures. Remember, they need proof. Okay. So, we can easily answer Mr. John's question if we keep track on farm's transactions. Now, we have financial statements. If we use 120,000 of that 100,000 we had at the beginning to buy inputs, no, atong na 200,000 daw si Mr. John nga kapital. So, he used 120,000, no, para mabayad ang mga bills, no, to buy inputs, to buy equipment sa iyang business. So, it means nga na lang siya 80,000 nga cash nga nabili. Okay, nakuha ba nato? If we collected 150,000 from our clients, then you would have 220,000. Nakuha ba nato, everyone? Easy? No? Easy ba? Murag sayot ni siya itong answer. I think it is 230,000 because 150,000 plus 80,000 is 230,000. So this is not 220, but it is 230. Okay, nakuha ba nato? So sa atong nabilin nga sa atong capital na 200, atong giminusan og 120 na atay 80,000 nga nabilin, right? So sa atong clients nagbayad man siya, so we have 150,000. So 150,000 plus 80,000, we have 230,000, not 220,000. Okay? That is the importance of accounting. That is why accounting is called as a language of business. Okay, let's proceed, everyone. So in accounting, we have the two important parts. No, the two important thing to consider. No, which are the management and the accountant. So I have here the management. Sa may buhaton na to sa management. We have to plan. Yes, we need to plan. No, mga plano na to. Then management, si management is nagplano. So sa accountant po, sa iyang mga plano, we need to have our what? Budget. No, everybody say budget. So, if si management nagplan, no, dili lang na siya basta-basta magplan. No? Dili mahitabo iyang plano without a budget. Okay ba? So, si management magplan, si accountant maghatag og budget. Okay. Next one is, na siya plano. And that plan will not remain as a plan lang. Now, we need to do or we need to act that one. Okay ba? So in doing that one, in doing your plan, you need to have your bookkeeping, no? Your source of documents. No, muna siya say bookkeeping, sorry. So I know that you hear the word bookkeeping, right? No? Si cashier, diba? Si cashier, naghatag o na sila yung mga copy, na sila yung mga documents. So in your documents, it must be accurate. No, kung unsa gyud ang naitabo sa business, mao na siya ang maitabo sa imong bookkeeping. Kay basing nakay sales nga 80,000, unya na makaka sa imong bookkeeping, imo rang gibutang dito 50,000. No, it's a big no-no in our accounting, right? So unsay ni gawas, unsay ni sulod with an accurate amount of that money. Next one is timely. No, our source of documents must be timely. Dayon, if we plan, no, mao man natay plano, na natay budget, then sa atong plano, atong gibuhat, so atong pagbuhat, si accountant, nangatag og bookkeeping. No, next one is check. Atong i-check, no, ka atong gibuhat sakto ba? No, nakaginansya ba ta or wala ta nakaginansya? So, we need to check, we need to assess. So, in what way we can check? We can have financial statement. No, ito na nakita ganina atong financial statement with the three things of financial statements. Isa ganito, first, yes, we have first our income statement. No, di na ito makita nga nabatay profit or lose lang tanan. Next one is the balance sheet. Then the last one is, sa ganito, our cash flows. Muna siya si financial statement. Nasabtan ba ang management o ang accounting? So again, kung nakay plano, si management nagplano, dapat ang iyang plano na ay budget. O sa iyang plano, will not remain just planning but doing it. So si accountant will do bookkeeping. Okay, if we are doing that one, we need to check. No, we need to check that is financial statement, di man ginato makita. So in checking, we need to have an action. So, kung for example gani class, ang imong plan is dili siya ang pag-assess nimo rather, ang pag-assess nimo is puro ra ka expense, no? Na-lose na ka sa imong business. So, it means you need to revise your plan. Okay? Next one is technical definitions of accounting. So, according to American Institute of Certified Public Accountings, so accounting is defined as the art, the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So these are the four phases of accounting: recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting. So we will discuss that individually later on. Okay, ra ba sa inyo? Okay. Next one is components of accounting. The components of accounting is first, accounting is considered as an art. Why an art? Because it requires the use of skills. Remember, no, sa accounting, nag-require siya og skills and creative judgment. One has to be trained in this discipline to be able to perform accounting functions well. It is considered as an art because it refers to the skills, right? No, it refers to the methods of doing your work in systematic manner, not to attain specified objectives, because we have plan. No, in planning, we have objectives. We have also goals. So we need to attain that specified objectives and goals. So that means why we consider accounting is an art. No, art requires some kind of skills, knowledge, and practice. No, practice. So accounting is an art as the books of accounts are maintained on the system, which is embodied with some assumptions or personal judgments. No, it is practical in involving skills. No, practical naman din na siya. So it it also requires regular practice. No, art, skills, dayon, knowledge, and regular practice. Okay, nasabtan din nato why accounting is considered as an art. Okay, I hope so. Okay, next one is accounting is also considered as science because it is a body of knowledge. Numingon dit science, body of knowledge yun na siya. Diba? Did you remember that one? Doon na siya sa ating elementary days. Diba? That if we say science, it is a body of knowledge. Okay, accounting is science because it involves certain principles which are universally applicable in this one. The items are recorded in the books. No, accounts are based on a certain kinds of definite principles. No, it consists of concepts, conventions, rules, and principles. No, that's why ito ni siyang ginatawag na science. Okay, we have here the accounting involves, the second component is accounting involves interconnected phases. So what are those interconnected phases, gani? What are the phases of accounting? Ito na siyang giniskas kanina, di ba? First is the recording. The second one is classifying. Third one is summarizing. The fourth one is interpreting. Okay, let's discuss it individually. First one is recording. If you say recording class, ayaw na siya i-complicate. If you say recording, we record transactions. No? Record transactions. So, unsa man ni siya? How is this done? No? Through journal entries. A journal entry will be learned later on. No? It has debit and it has credit. I will explain that one, the debit and the credit one. So, if you say recording, we talk about a journal. Journal, remember, recording, we will use journal. Journal is also called as original entry. Again, journal is also called as an original entry. Next one is classifying. So it is the second phase of accounting. Transactions that are already recorded are classified into groups of similar accounts. So that's why kaning ledger, kaning classifying na to class is also called as a ledger. So kaning si ledger, murag puti gini siya buhaton, kay tanan-tanan is imo siyang i-classify or imo siyang i-sort. No, lahi si cash, lahi si equipments, no, basta lahi tanan assets. No, I will describe it one. So ledger is also known as the final book entry. Again, si journal is original entry. Si ledger is our final entry. Okay. Kung sa may naong sa journal man. Okay, mo ni siya si general journal. Now we have the first column. Can we draw that one? The first column, date. No, second column is the items or the descriptions. Again, first column, date. Second one is the description. No, the items. Next one is the reference. Ako lang i-demonstrate sa inyo class kung sa'yo na ni journal. We will discuss this one. No, maabot lang time nga ato gini siya matagsa-tagsa. Okay ba? Okay, we have also the debit. No, the debit and the credit. Okay, we have example here. Cash ang atong description. We have also, which is the debit. Notes is the credit side. No? Dito sa tamo i-complicate karon, no? Because this is just an introduction. So, let's move. Okay, the ledger. Muna siya class, akong giingon kanina sa inyo nga puti siya. No, puti siya. It has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. Now we have here the debit side. Lahi-lahi din siya class. Debit, credit. No? We have here the debit and the credit. Si credit, si debit, mo ni siya. Si debit na siya date, particulars, na po siya reference, and then amount. No? Sa date, mo ni siya si credit side. Particulars or items, the reference, and its credit side. Okay ba? So, muna siya ang dagway ni ledger. Na ko lang introduce inyo para dili mo ma-shock.